today I'm going to be just like teaching you how to make a simple maze game just like this here. So you see, you can go through the maze and there's an end point and a start point. See, you did it, and then if we do it here, you lose. So I'll show you how to make it. And it's actually, this might look very confusing, but it's really not that hard. So yeah, let's just get into it. So of course you want to create a new project here, and it's creating. Okay, so you need to load in the sprite that you're gonna use as like your person, and just put them into this corner here, or put them where you want to start them, and change the size down to 30. You can make it bigger, you can make it like 50 or 40, but like you know, I use 30 on mine. Now, next thing one could do is create a new sprite and use this box tool here. Make the fill. You can make the fill whatever you want. Actually, I'm gonna make it red right now, and then you can make an outline. I'm gonna make no outline. So now, just make like the maze like outline area thing here. So this is where they're gonna be going through it here. And yeah. Okay. Then we're not done yet with this. Make a green little circle up here, and this is gonna be the end point. Now you can go back to code. Make sure this also fits the screen, so put that like that. Now, sprite 1. Go to events 1, clicked, go to looks, and make sure it's show. So it just shows at the beginning, and same with this. So events 1, project, click, looks, show. And then what you're gonna want to do is go back to sprite 1. You can name it cat or something. And then once sprite clicked, you also want to switch backdrop to backdrop 1, which is this one. Okay. Now first, we're going to create the movement script. So what you want to do is get events, one sprite clicked, you want to get a forever block. Then get an if, blank, then block. Then you want to go to sensing, and then key, and you could use the up arrows, or you could use WASD. I'm going to use the up arrow, so up arrow, and then you go to motion, and then you could go to, make sure it's change Y by 10. And one thing also, when you start at the beginning, do that. Now, what this will do is this will make it so you can go up. Let's do that. And we could make more of these. So duplicate, and we're gonna do instead a down arrow, and we're gonna make this -10. Now then, duplicate these two here. You're gonna want to replace these two with change X, and just do that. And you want to change the keys, so this will be right and this will be left, and just pop that in there, and now you got a full working moving system. But you see, if you collide into any of these things, you won't actually die. So what we need to do is add collision. So go to events, and then go to control. Alright, so yeah, put a forever block here, and then you want to go to control, and if then, so these same blocks here. So go to sensing, if touching color, and whatever color the obstacles are here, you want to make it that color. But if you can't, just find the color in here. If it's like a basic color like black, just change it to black. But if you can't find it, use this thing, and you see, just click on the color. That'll immediately set it to that. And then we could duplicate that and just change it to green. here. Now, create another backdrop. You just want to, so we'll create the You Win backdrop first. So, just do that. We'll make it a pixel font. You Win. So, now we have that. And let's just center it. Good. Now create another backdrop. And make it, I don't know, a red color. And make the text say, you lose. You lose. And then again, center it. Okay. Now I have that. Now we go back to the cat, right? And now we make it change the background. So change background to background 3 and change background to background 2. So now look, if we go there, it changes. And if we go there, it will also change. I don't want to play this whole entire game, but it will change. So now we have that. But you see, once we run into something, it doesn't actually hide the object. So we've got a simple thing to just stop that. So you just need to, so first just go to looks and set it to hide. After that. So then, once you touch it, wait, oh, right here. So, let's do it with this first. So events, when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, we'll duplicate that and change it to backdrop 3, looks, hide. So now, it'll hide this object, which is fine. But you see, our little cat here, he's being a bit annoying, and he's still showing. So what we have to do is backdrop 2 and looks hide. It's pretty simple. Just do that again with 3. And yeah. So now we basically got a fully working maze game. You see, if we go up here, we can't go across the screen. I don't know how I lost that, but yeah. We got a working maze game in Scratch. Now you could add extra stuff to this game, like a main menu or sounds when you lose or win. See, when you touch that, you win. So you could just add some sounds, but I'm just gonna stick with this for now. So you can give this maze game, and you can just share it. So now you got a fully working maze game. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.